What's going on, boys? Hope you all had a good weekend. I figured I'd do a little bit of POV driving with the Catless exhaust now, show you guys how it sounds. It's definitely a little bit louder when I'm stepping on it. I used to have exhaust leaks going on. He fixed all those while I was at the shop. And he did really good on the welds. Can't really show you because it's pretty low underneath the car, and I should have just took a video while I was on the lift. Cleaned it up real nice. Put my O2 sensors back where they're supposed to be at after he took the cats off. He had to weld some bungs and stuff, but it turned out really good. The exhaust sounds really nice. When I'm driving, I can definitely tell a difference now. Out today. It's like 65, 70 degrees right now. T-shirt weather. It's the first really nice weekend of the year. Hasn't been this hot yet all year, I don't think. She is hella dirty right now. You can see the windshield is super dirty. It's the thing about having a black car, it does not stay clean for long at all. There's a McLaren sitting right there. That was crazy.
It's a Cobra.
Yes, it is. Man, I love this car. Like that? What's up? It's a Terminator. It's got a supercharger on it. It's a Mustang. Thank you. That was hilarious, boys. That's what makes it worth it, having a car like this, guys. I have mad wheel hop on that shit too. The fucking tires are warm, boy. Probably need some new back tires too, because look at that. Oh my god. things I do for you guys. Gonna give a quick rundown of all the mods I got done to this thing so far, because it's really not too much done to this thing. I haven't really done a lot since I've gotten it. It had most of these mobs on it when I got it. It has the smallest pulley you can put on it. I think it's a 279, the upgraded JLT ram air intake on it. It's got the breathers on it. It's got all Metco pulleys. I don't know what these idler pulley brands are, but they're not Metco, I'm pretty sure. It's got Cook's aftermarket long tube headers, Cook's X pipe, and Borla S cat back right now. And I just took the cats off in the last video. Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates, Bilstein struts. It's lowered on some H&R racing springs. It's still got the Cobra brakes. It's got the Mickey Thompsons in the back. It's got a short throw shifter, full length subframe rails on the bottom, a lightweight drive shaft from the drive shaft factory, the twin disc RXT McLeod clutch. It's probably about it for performance mods. I've just been doing like basic maintenance on this thing. I just did a tensioner on it not too long ago. I replaced the alternator pulley and the crank, the lower crank support pulley with a Metco pulley. I did the water pump in one of my videos not too long ago. And that's about it for this thing. She is a ripper though. Daily driving ripper. You see the way I drive it, and I drive it like that pretty much every single day. Man, and she takes it. It's been a great daily driver. It's tuned so that every time I turn my car on, the traction control's off and stuff. It's got a rear camera for when I back up, so that's pretty cool. It's got a nice couple little things done to it. Nothing too crazy, but it's definitely got some money put in here. That's pretty much going to do it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked the video, please tap like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything's appreciated, guys. And I'll catch you in the next one, boys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.